Hey, so here's a little tip in case you want to address something with someone that has maybe done a few things or said a few things that you don't like. Here's the thing, it's very tempting in such a case to mention all of the things that you didn't like, in an attempt to kind of care for yourself and to be understood in, why something has been building up in you. But the thing is that for this person, in those past weeks or months or whatever, they haven't heard from you that there was something that you didn't like. So for them, there's a complete surprise. And then to process that, there's something they did that you don't like, that's already quite something. So you really want to make sure that they get this thing that you want to address. And it's helpful then to address just one thing. Just tell them one thing they did or said that you didn't like. And now you may think, well, but then I won't be fully heard, right? Because there are several things that they did. But the thing is that if you make sure that you find the need behind that thing. So for example, maybe this person was late a few times and then they also, forgot your birthday and then something else happened. And then what you want to do is just figure out the need. So maybe it's the need to know that you matter to this person, that you're really important for them. And then if you just mention one thing and you mention the need behind that and you make sure that this one thing and this one need is really heard by the person, then it's very likely that you already regain your trust that this person wants to take you into account. Because in the end, it's really about that. It's about, very often, it's about, regaining the trust that the person cares about you. And if they care about this one thing, your system will trust more that actually they also would care about the other things if they would hear them. But if you would actually mention all of them at once, it's likely that this person will start defending themselves or, just get full and is not as responsive to your thing. And so you will address this one thing, and if you really feel the other things need to be heard as well, even after you have a sense that they get this one thing and this one need that you mentioned, you can always check, how was it for you to hear this? And if this person seems super relaxed and really it was fine, or just seems super relaxed, then you might think of addressing another thing, or maybe you can address the other thing another time. But I would recommend addressing one thing and then setting a very strong intention for yourself that from now on you will address things as soon as you can when they happen, so that you have a continuous trust with this person and openness and just connection. So I hope that you like this tip. I would love to hear in the comments if you have other ideas, or if you have experience with this, or experience with other people addressing several things with you. I would love to hear that. And if you know someone who might benefit from this video, I would really like it if you would share it so they can use it as well. Okay, I'd love to see you next time. Ciao, ciao.